Been fighting a stubborn cough that just won't quit? Let's talk about natural ways to clear your lungs and breathe freely again. Bronchitis often lingers due to mucus buildup and inflammation in your airways. To ease symptoms, try ginger and honey tea. It's anti-inflammatory and soothing. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil can loosen mucus, and herbs like licorice root and thyme act as natural expectorants to calm the cough and heal your lungs. Rest, hydrate, and let nature do its work. If you are ready to heal naturally, like, share, and subscribe for more holistic respiratory wellness tips.